Tower 1, 6th floor, unit 72, 27 square meters, 1 bedroom with balcony. This is the actual turnover. This is the kitchen cabinet. We have overhead cabinet. Then we have range hood. This is the toilet and bathroom. This is the space for washing machine. This is the room. We have intercom. This is the view from the window in the living room. And then this is the room. Aircon is split type. This is the view from the balcony. This is the whole room. And unit has extra window on this side. There you go. That's it.